Have you ever wondered how our planet might look 50 years from now if our current pace of global warming remains unchecked? Welcome, dear listeners. Today, we delve into the depths of an issue that paints a grim picture of our future: global warming. Global warming, as you probably know, refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average temperature. But did you know that since the late 19th century, our planet's average surface temperature has risen by about 2 degrees Fahrenheit? This change, largely driven by increased carbon dioxide and other human-made emissions into the atmosphere, is having a profound effect on our world. Most of the warming occurred in the past 40 years, with 6 of the warmest years on record taking place since 2010. Our oceans, too, are feeling the heat, with the top 1,000 meters of ocean showing warming of more than 0.6 degrees Fahrenheit since 1900. Our polar ice shields are shrinking at an alarming rate. Satellite observations reveal that Greenland and Antarctica are losing an average of 283 gigatons of ice per year. If we put that into perspective, it's like losing the amount of ice that can cover a 1-mile stretch of 4-lane highway to a depth of more than 100 feet every single second. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, traps up to 84 times more heat than carbon dioxide over a 20-year period. And guess what? Human activities contribute to approximately 60% of methane emissions. Sea levels are on the rise as well. Over the past century, the global sea level has risen by about 8 inches. But the rate in the last 2 decades is nearly double that of the last century and accelerating slightly every year. Global warming is not just about hotter summers and melting ice caps. It's about intense hurricanes, severe droughts, forest fires, and devastating floods. It's about the displacement of people, extinction of species, and destruction of ecosystems. But dear listeners, all is not lost. Each one of us has a role to play in combating global warming: reduce, reuse, recycle. These 3 words can make a significant difference. By recycling half of the world's household waste, we can save 2,500 million metric tons of carbon dioxide annually. Opt for renewable energy whenever possible. Using solar, wind, and geothermal energy reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, which are major contributors to global warming. Plant trees. A single tree absorbs approximately 1 ton of carbon dioxide in its lifetime. Imagine the impact a forest can make. Choose a plant-based diet. Livestock farming produces from 20 to 50% of all man-made greenhouse gas emissions. And finally, educate others. Knowledge is power. Share what you know about global warming and its impacts. Remember, global warming is not a problem of the future. It's happening now, and it's up to us to take action. The Earth doesn't need us to survive, but we certainly need the Earth. So let's treat it with the respect and care it deserves. Thank you for your time, dear listeners. Until next time, keep making a difference.